That is my dog Kitty, and today I'm going to talk about my lift lights. How many times have you been working underneath your car and you got a flashlight tucked in over here while you're working on something else over here? I got a trick for you. Hey Google, turn on the lift lights. Check that out.
Roger that.
Bam, lights underneath the lift. So let me show you what I did and how it works. Hey Google, turn off the lift lights.
10-4.
All right, so what do we have? Might be a little difficult to see, but you can see this white strip. These are LED lights. Now, I bought one that's thin enough because I do have a jack underneath here and I need them to be able to clear those lights. And because you're always dripping something, gasoline, oil, antifreeze, I wanted it weather resistant. Now, they're not completely waterproof. The best part about them is that they have an adhesive background. So you literally peel the wax tape off the back. As long as you got a clean surface, it sticks. Over here, where I'm pointing at, that is the transformer. And then it comes in under here into a smart plug. Let me see if I can go down a little bit. A little smart plug on the wall that's connected via Wi-Fi to my Google Home. So when I say, hey Google, turn on the lift lights, it gets really bright under here, as you can see.
Roger that.
Right? And same thing, it's just a custom Google Home routine. Hey Google, turn off the lift lights. And then a couple seconds later,
10-4.
it goes off. So I can actually see under here while I'm talking to you guys, but it's great from the aspect that I've got lights all the way around. And actually, if I come over here, you can see them on this side too, right? And they connect to each other so that they're only using one transformer, which I showed you underneath there. And then if we come along here, I've just got some magnetic hooks to hold the cord up as it goes into my little smart plug. These are cheap off of Amazon, a few bucks. This is a trickle charger for the battery. But as you can see, real easy way to get bright lights underneath your lift so you can see what you're working on without having to, hold a flashlight over here or wear a headlamp or whatever. Hey Google, turn on the lift lights. Plus a nerd in me thinks this is pretty cool when she turns it on.
Roger that.
See you next time. So for those of you that are gonna ask, where did I get these lights from? How much were they? I'll leave a link for you in the description below. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. I paid for this with my own money. I don't have any affiliate links with anybody. But if I can help somebody else out, that's what this is about. And so hope you guys get a little kick out of it or a little idea for something in your own garage. See you next time.